hope this video is of some use and helping you decide whether this part of Bali might be a part of Bali of interest to you. Oh, there's a brand walk up here. I know why already. This is tables with soft cushions. We're going to show you with just a nice little seating area. Beautiful entrance. One little seating area. And then you have some authentic. And this is your swimming pool. Doors and handbags. You've just been given permission to go inside. This is a collection of ladies here. Some nice stuff. Bags. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here in Legian/Seminyak, and I'm actually just on Jalan Legian, stood right outside Bintang supermarket. This is relatively new. It has been in Bali for years, however it caught fire a few years ago and has been recently built and replaced. So today I'm going to take a walk along this section of street, crisscrossing the road, showing you what's available to you in this area. We'll cover hotels, we'll cover restaurants, we'll cover shops, we'll cover everything that's going to be available to you along this street. And I think I'll go as far as Jalan, Arjuna, the beach that goes down to 66. So let's go for a walk along this street, guys. Oh, there's a brand new Bintang supermarket. It's very busy, and then we're going to go and take a walk up here. I know why already. The bookshop here in Bintang. Hello, sir. And this is your first shop here, selling some t-shirts. Okay guys, so this next place that we're going into is MBox Capsule Hotel Party Hostel. So this place is quite a unique concept. It's like a hostel which they're currently under reconstruction or renovation, and it's also like a bar type facility as well, which we're going to take you through now and show you around. Here's the reception area here. This awesome elephant welcoming you through. And a pool table. And this is the bar area here, guys. It greets you as you walk through the main doors. Really funky bar. And you have a nice collection of seating with a really modern interior design. Strobe lighting you can see going around on the floor. Another bar area here. Some beautiful little funky tables with artificial flowers in there. Look at the scene going on in the roof. Some nice seating here also as well. Relaxing vibe. Another big table with a wooden plinth for a table and soft leather seating. I'll just take you through the back here, guys, and there's a little swimming pool with some, look at that, oh la la, a little swimming pool with your funky beanbag, soft cushions. So MBox have been so kind to give us the permission to show us around the facility, and these are all little cabins here that we're going to show you with just a simple cabins with a bed inside.
Around €6 a night.
And these are only €6 a night, guys, right in the heart of Seminyak. Next along here we have some of these kind of homewares and goods. Nice collection of pillows there. Across the street we have Made in Bali, clothing. Good, and then we have a BMC money changer here, guys. Next to Kenya Farmer, guys. We have a place called Dodds. This place does burgers, sandwiches. Nice little seating area looking out on the road. And here's a look at the menu. Menu, guys. Seating area also. And here's the burgers, guys. They look delicious. Give you some idea of the prices. And next one is a Rip Curl next to your BMC money changer. Place we have, guys, is Pantarei. Some lovely outside seating here by the road. Beautiful entrance. Some bar style seating here. Have a beautiful little seating area here also. Over in the back here we have the bar area. We have a place down here, guys, the Seminyak Suite private villa. Down that direction. We have a souvenir shop here. Head raiding. King handbag shop. This is a convenience store, guys, newly opened. Called Divide, selling some home and jewellery. Next place, guys, a place called Kimberley Spa here. There's a list of what they do. This is a popular spa here in Bali. They have many other outlets. Okay, guys, so the next place we have is a place called Ryoshi. This is a Japanese restaurant. There's a sushi here. It's live music every Monday and Friday. And this is the entrance. So we've just been given permission to show you around here, guys. Here's the outside dining onto Jalan Legian. And this is the inside restaurant. Authentic Japan door. Slide door, and then you have some authentic seating. On the side, guys, you have a place called Rejuve. This is a place to get all your healthy drinks from. And just down the street here, guys, the side street next to Rejuve, you have a little Warung Bintang. A Nicole clothes shop here, guys, swimwear. Seminyak Art Village. This is a place selling all your souvenirs and things. Just outside the Seminyak Art Village you have a little tour booking place here, guys. You can book all your tours. Have a Sun Island boutique villas and okay guys, so we've just been given permission here at Sun Boutique Island Hotel to take you down and show you the premises. And this is your swimming pool facility here. Also have a seating area. Little array of shops here selling all your caps, sunglasses. Hello, how are you? Woo! Shirts, everything in here, guys. We have another one next door. It's got some trainers and sports shirts, sunglasses. Place called Angita Spa, also does your hair braiding. So Angita Bar, you have Silverberry jewellery, beads and jewellery. You have a mini mart, which is a convenience store. Along the line is a tailor. You can have your clothes made here, guys. And you have a Juada garden hotel, guys, down this direction. You have another big accommodation here, guys, called the Haven. Just across from the Haven you have a Ralph Lauren Polo, Circle K. Just across from the Haven, guys, you have a nice hair place here called Charlotta. It's very, very colourful. And then we're just coming to the end of the street now, guys, and you have some sandals here, handmade. So here we go, guys, this is a shop selling all your sandals and handbags. We've just been given permission to go inside. This is a collection of everything that they have alongside. Some nice designs here, guys, all handcrafted. Yeah. Go from the other side here, guys. Some nice sandals, wallets. Awesome collection here, guys. Have some really, really beautiful bags. This guy also has a collection of trainers here as well. These look really well done, guys. Some nice stuff. This is one of the best places I've seen here in Bali for the handbags. Really, really nice collection, nicely presented as well, so you can see everything. Nice collection of Christian Dior here also. And now we've just arrived at the street Jalan Arjuna or Jalan Pantarei Seminyak, going down towards 66 Beach in that direction. across the road you have a Kima Pharma if you need headache tablets, and a convenience store called Minimart. Okay, so that concludes my tour of Jalan Legian between Bintang Supermarket and Jalan Pantarei Seminyak, or Jalan Arjuna. As you can see, we've had a great collection of shops along this little stretch of street. A few great hotel options, the hostel option, stroke bar, some great places of interest, some fabulous restaurants along this little stretch of street. You have the Bintang Supermarket as well, which is a very famous supermarket here in Jalan Legian Seminyak. Great vibes in this location. You're not too far away from 66 Beach as well, also in this location. So really glad to share this place with you guys. Hope this video is of some use and helping you decide whether this part of Bali might be a part of Bali of interest to you. And I shall say bye for now.